Welcome back to the video on Google Classroom. In this video, we are going to post an assignment and create a rubrics for our assignment. I hope everyone has created their Google Classroom and posted their quiz, questions and materials in their Google Classroom. In the Stream tab, you can see the notifications about the posted assignments, materials and questions. On the left hand side in the upcoming tab, we can see the notifications of the due date. Now to post an assignment, I click on the classwork tab. I'm going to post the assignment under unit 1 itself, so I do not need to create a new topic. Now I click on create. I select assignment and click it. Here I post the title. We can even post instructions. I have already created an assignment and saved it in my device, so I'm going to click on add. Here I select file. I click on select files. I select the document and I click on upload. Now our assignment is uploaded. Students can view it here. Click on this drop down box. We can make a copy for each student or students can edit it. We'll simply keep it as students can view it. Now moving on to the right hand side, we are going to change the grade category. I click on this drop down box here. I select unit 1. I'm going to keep the grade as 30. I'm going to select a due date here by clicking on the drop down box. I select the date as June 8 and the timing as 11:59 p.m. Now we need to select a topic. I click on this drop down box here. Select unit 1. It is not mandatory to upload a rubric for an assignment or quiz. We can directly assign it, but let's create a rubric. I click on this rubric here. I can reuse a rubric or import from sheets. Since I have not created it, so I'm going to select create rubric. Here the criterion title. I click add a level. I click on add a level. I add one more level here. Now I can add one more criterion. I add a level by clicking it here. I add one more level here. I add a level here. Now I have pretty much created a rubrics. My total marks 30. I've allotted for 30 marks. So you can select as many criterias you have and as many level titles you want. Now I have created a rubric, so I'm going to assign it. I can even schedule a date. Let's try scheduling a date. I click on schedule. I'm going to open this assignment on June 4th at 8 a.m. I click on schedule. So we have scheduled the assignment here. I click on people tab now. By clicking on a particular student, we can see their works. Each and individual progress can be checked by clicking on the people tab and selecting a particular student. I click on the grade tab. Here we can see two assignments which were posted immediately is listed here. The schedule assignment, once it is posted, will be listed out here. I hope everyone has enjoyed creating their Google Classroom. Thank you.